is Drake. We're here outside. He asked me to go out, and we're having a very nice weather today. It's starting to fall. We're starting the fall season. I'm getting tongue-tied, but yeah. Here he is. He wants to walk around. We can still go out because it's not winter yet. But once winter hits, we can't walk in the snow. Come on, Baba. No stopping, please. Come on here. Keep moving. You can't go up there in the... No. Every time he do that, he can smell something intruder in the yard, and he will get grumpy. So I have to pull him. No, Baba. No, Baba. Come on, keep moving. It's windy today. If you can hear that noise, it's from the tree. It's a little windy, but we're fine. It's not that bad. It's a little cold now, but it's okay. It's tolerable. Look at my boy. Keep on opening and then winking his eyes. I don't know what to say. And he just sit down there again. Come on, Baba. Keep moving. Come on, bud. Keep moving. Good job. To all cat lovers, here is my Drake, my 4-year-old black cat. He is my loud cat. He will meow every time he wants something. Like if he wants to go out, he will tell me. What is it? He's getting big now. I used to adopt him or foster him when he was 4 weeks old. Alright, so I think he's ready to get in. So I'm gonna go in now, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again next time. Give Drake a thumbs up if you like this video, and you can share it. It's all free. It's free to share, and if you can also join this channel, Tinker Wonderland, just click the subscribe button, and see you next time. Thanks for watching. God bless everyone. Bye for now. We're going inside the house. See ya, guys.